Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We'll be demonstrating on 2012 Ford F-150. If you have one that generation, different year, it may work as well. We're going to open the fuse box that's located right under the hood. When you open the hood on your Ford F-150, you lift it up. Right above the radiator you have a fuse box, and when you open it, you will guys face it that way. You have the relay, fuses. Now before we explain which fuses you need to check for ABS and traction control module, let's explain guys why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the first fuse that we'll need to check, if you need to buy, guys, any of these specific fuses and relays, they could be really expensive at the parts store. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, so please check it out. The first fuse, guys, okay, that we'll need to check is known as fuse number 36. We're talking about a 30 amp fuse in our case. This is the second row of fuses, the one on the very right next to that relay, right here. That's the one that we're guys talking about. Now there is another one that we need to check as well, and I'm talking about fuse number 47. That will be that fuse right here, okay, that 60 amp fuse in our case, that here. So this, and after that we will, guys, have one more. If you come in that fuse row right here, from left to right, you have three fuses. That third fuse is known as fuse number 54. Check that one as well, that's for the ABS and traction control. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.